Ready to dazzle your audience? Discover how to create stunning presentations with Google Slides. In this video, you'll learn how to create visually stunning presentations using Google Slides. We'll cover essential design concepts, animation effects, and powerful collaboration features. First, let's talk about some key design principles that will make your presentation stand out. One of the more basic ideas is to start with consistent themes. Google Slides offers a variety of themes that ensure your presentation looks cohesive and professional. It's important to select a theme that complements your content and stick with it throughout your slides. Next, focus on what's known as visual hierarchy. Arrange your elements, like titles, text, and images, so that the audience's attention is drawn to the most important parts first. Use larger fonts for headings, and place key points at the top or center of your slides. Also, using a well-thought-out color scheme can significantly impact your presentation. Tools like the color wheel or websites like coolors.co can help you select complementary colors. Typography is another crucial design element. Stick to simple, clean fonts for readability and avoid using more than 2 or 3 different fonts throughout your presentation. Pairing a bold font for headings with a regular font for body text can create a nice balance. Now that you have your design all picked out, let's add some animation effects to bring your slides to life. Consider using slide transitions. These are animations that occur when you move from one slide to the next. In Google Slides, you can select transitions like fade, slide from right, or flip. But use these sparingly to maintain a professional look. Next, apply object animations to emphasize key points. You can animate text, images, and other elements to appear, disappear, or move. For example, you might animate bullet points to appear one by one, keeping your audience focused on each point as you discuss it. Now let's not forget about the helpful collaboration features in Google Slides. These tools are invaluable when working with a team. With real-time collaboration, multiple people can work on the same presentation simultaneously. Simply share the link with your team, and you can all edit and refine the slides together in real time. Another great feature is commenting and feedback. You can leave comments on specific slides or elements, and your team can respond. This makes it easy to discuss changes and improvements without altering the main content. If you want to make your presentations really stand out, try using multimedia integration into your slides. Inserting images and videos is a great way to engage your audience. Use high-quality images relevant to your content and embed videos to illustrate your points. Google Slides makes it easy to insert multimedia elements from your computer or directly from the web. Google Slides also allows you to create and customize charts to represent your data clearly. Whether it's a bar graph, pie chart, or line chart, these visual aids help make complex information more digestible. By applying basic design concepts, animation effects, and using collaboration features, you'll make your presentations not only look great, but also engage your audience effectively. Thanks for watching. I'm David with Skill Sprints.